You may have seen that sometimes the images we download from Google or some other method have a watermark. Actually, because of this watermark, we cannot use these images for our work. Today I am going to show you how to remove watermark from any image. Follow me. First, open link in the description and go to watermarkremover.io website. Now upload your image. Now processing our image. Wow! Watermark has removed. Now you can download image. Now I compare images. You can see, there is no quality drop in the image. The watermark has been removed very smoothly. Goodbye guys, see you again in a new video.